Good morning, guys. Look what I found at Walmart yesterday. I found tamarindo, or sampalok in Filipino. Guess what we do with these? We use it for cooking, for soup, and we make it as candies. So today I am going to make Sampalok Kendi. So first thing you do is you peel it. You take this, whatever this is, and leave it like that. Sampalok or tamarindo is abundant in the Philippines. They grow up as trees. But this is, I won't say this is a tropical tree because I know you can get this from Mexico too. But they do grow up to be big trees. And they flower and turn into pods. You can eat this like it is. And it's got, this is a seed, but the seed has a outer covering. This is what we eat. And it's sour. So this is its seed. After you eat the flesh, and there's a membrane that covers the seed. Here it is. Tamarindo or the sampalok seeds. That's our dog. He's singing again. Every time he hears the siren, he makes his song. One of these days, I'm gonna make a shorts out of that. Silly dog. Might as well enjoy that. Anyway, here you go, guys. Here's the tamarindo. I'm going to make this into a candy. So I'm making sure that there's no shells. Okay, looks good. So anyway, there it is. Now on to the next procedure. So you put the tamarindo in here. Then you add water, maybe half cup. Now it's starting to boil, so I will just let it simmer and just cook it. Let it cook. I'm gonna add half cup of brown sugar. And then let it cook some more. I'm gonna incorporate an egg, a quarter flour, a quarter cup of flour. Put in a little bit of water to make sure the flour is cooked. So I started off with a whole cup of water, using the half cup first, and then in the end I end up adding the other half cup. And smell it already. I remember when I was a girl, I used to buy these at the sari-sari store in the Philippines. So now I'm making my own. That should be good. I'm going to turn the stove off and let it cool off. Now it's cooled off. Roll it in. Roll it in the sugar and then form a ball. And then roll it again. This is going to be a bigger tamarindo ball. Here you go, guys. This is candied tamarindo. It's really good. It's sweet, sour, with a hint of salt. So, thank you for watching. This is Midlife Wanderings signing off. We'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.